Hi YouTube, it's me Jen, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet that is super colorful and beautiful, and it's so easy to do. I think it's one of the easiest bracelets ever. I hope that you like this video. Let's go and watch it. Well, let's make this beautiful bracelet in less than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's see. We're going to use this cord. I'm leaving you all of the details in the description box. We're also going to need a straw, and we're going to cut a little bit of it. Just like this. A lighter to burn the ends. And some beads. I'm using these colorful ones, but you can use any you like. We're going to cut a strand of cord, and what I do to cut it is to just go around my wrist twice and then cut it again, like 4 times around my wrist. Then we're just going to go round and round the straw. I'm going round and round 5 times. We're going to take the other end, we're going to introduce it into the straw, and we are going to pull it out. Once you get used to it, it's so simple. So now we're going to pull it out, and then we're going to take the circles little by little out of the straw, and we're going to pull both ends. And the result is this beautiful and easy knot that you can see. We're going to pull it little by little, putting it together, and you're going to see the result. I think it looks so beautiful and so simple, so quick, and it looks amazing. So here's how it looks. This is the technique, and you don't have to do a lot else. You just have to repeat it. Now I'm going to burn the end, and I'm going to introduce one bead. Hey, are you liking the bracelet? Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Now you just have to repeat the same process next to the bead. You just have to go round and round the straw, introduce one of the strands inside of the straw, pull it out little by little and carefully, and put it next to the next bead, and then introduce a new one, and so on. I think that this is so simple that only by looking at it once you know how to make it, but just in case I'm showing you how I'm making the rest of the bracelet. We're going to finish off making a square knot closure so we can open and close our bracelet easily. If you don't know how to make square knots, they're super easy, but I'm not going to show you in this video. I'm going to leave you in the description box a link to a video where I show you step by step how to make a square knot. I'm also going to decorate the ends with a bead and a knot because I think it looks more beautiful, but you don't need to do this, I just liked it. If you don't want to put a bead, just with doing a simple knot, it's fine. And this is the final result. I really love it. I think it's super easy and you can give it as a present to a friend or to your mom, your sister. I really love it, and you can use many colors and you can easily open it and close it with this easy closure. I really like how it looks for summer. It's super fun. Tell me in the comments what do you think about it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like and subscribe to my channel, and tell me what other videos would you like to see. This is Jenny and I will see you next time. Love you!